Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, August 24th. And the big story here over the next 5 days is going to be Hurricane Harvey that's scheduled to hit Texas. And it's going to bring a lot of rain. It's going to be a slow mover. It'll probably be at least a Category 1, maybe even a Category 2. So we're going to have to watch this closely. But some of the forecasts show a widespread area of southeast Texas picking up between 1 and 2 feet of rain, with some of the bullseye areas possibly approaching 25 or more inches, maybe even close to 30 inches of rain. And this is going to be an extremely a major disaster for there. So there could be some real troubles down in that area. So stay tuned if you've got friends or family that live down anywhere along the coastline or even inland quite a ways, as again, this is going to be quite a storm for the books. And you can see by the slide here, fall harvest has begun with sugar beets coming in over that Croswell. This is off social media from Chuck over in Marlette. And you can see the next slide. Next Friday we'll have my official fall forecast, and we'll also have the on the following Monday we'll have a preliminary outlook for the winter. And again, that'll be for the following Monday. And again, for those two meetings coming up today in Newaygo, you're going to get both of these forecasts today and then in Marlette next Thursday. And if we look at the next 3 to 7 days, all the action is really going to be focused across much of the southeastern portions of Texas. Again, very, very heavy rain. Again, there's going to be some real damaging storm surges, especially in all these little inland areas, the bays up and down that area. Right now, the best bet is the hurricane looks like it may hit around the Corpus Christi area. And again, anywhere around that area to the north, that's where you'll get the strongest winds and waves and surge. But again, lots and lots of rainfall for that area, and we'll show you how much just in a little bit here. You can see temperatures very cool out there this morning, upper 40s to low 50s, and we'll repeat that. And tomorrow morning might be the coldest morning, and I think we could see many areas possibly getting into the mid to upper 40s across the area, with some of the northern interior sections that are normally colder. And you know who you are, you may actually drop into the upper 30s to around 40 tomorrow morning. You can see some scattered showers out there with a pretty vigorous upper level wave, and it's dropping to the southeast, but these will tend to weaken as they come in. But can't rule out a couple of showers, and then maybe a couple of showers over here in Newaygo. But again, it looks like most of this activity will be fairly light, fairly scattered, and then we'll see lots of sunshine this afternoon. So any clouds or any scattered showers this morning should give way to lots of sunshine today, right on through the weekend. We may also pick up another shower like we talked about yesterday as we approach the day on Monday and Tuesday. And then for later on next week, we'll see what the remnants of Harvey will give the Great Lakes, but there could be some added tropical moisture for us later on next week. You can see on the morning weather map, high pressure system overall is dominating the area, but again, we got that upper wave that's coming through underneath that, kind of what we call a dirty high. And again, that could bring some scattered showers to the area, but again, very scattered, about a 10 to 20% chance, with the best chances coming across southwest lower Michigan. And by tomorrow, high pressure continues to dominate the area as we move the map in on Wednesday or on Saturday. You can see finally the high will begin to slip a little bit off to the east, and as that does, that could bring a little bit of a return flow and some little bit of warmth there. And you can see tropical storm, which will become hurricane most likely as it approaches the coast now down in Texas, with very, very heavy rains across this area. And you can see from the 1 a.m. Outlook from the National Hurricane Center, they've now forecasting it to reach a hurricane before it makes landfall. And again, we have to watch out. If it strengthens much more, it could actually be a Category 2. And then it's going to sit here for 3 days and just meander, and that's going to just bring torrential downpours to that area with lots of flooding. This will be national news-making story here as we go through the weekend into early next week. And how much rain might fall, you can see in the bigger picture across the area. This is between 1 and 2 feet, and if we zoom in a little closer, you can see many areas from Houston and Corpus Christi between 1.5 feet to as much as 27 inches of rain in some of the heavier amounts, and even the computer model generated a 36-inch rainfall in this area here. But again, we'll have to keep an eye on that. But definitely some major flooding going to occur across that portion of the country. And as far as the forecast, you can see temperatures today will be pretty nice, upper 60s, low 70s as we get into Friday, and then mid 70s will give us for the weekend with lots of sunshine on Saturday and Sunday. Right now it looks like a great weekend. And then Monday, again, pretty nice too. It will be mostly sunny, a few scattered showers, temperatures climbing up into the mid 70s to possibly around 80 in some areas. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day. and 73 to all.